Cube is one of our educational workshops programs for the pre-tertiary students to promote understanding of urban planning and architecture. It runs on a 3-step methodology, basically getting the students to come up with a vision, translating it to a 2D master plan, as well as extrude it into a 3D physical real design model.
So our crit session was actually really informative. It was helpful because the architects and our mentors really picked out some points that we hadn't thought about before, and this really expanded our view of the competition and how we have to consider more things. And in this way, it was good because now we have an overall encompassing view of what to look out for. For many of us here, actually, architecture is sort of an obscure field, and this really sheds light on what real architects do, and it does so in a very fun way. Overall, it's highly enriching and highly educational.
Maybe in school we don't have much of these kind of learning opportunities to get to know more about design. So coming here for 5 days, you get a hands-on experience, so it felt like a short internship in a way.
The first skill that I learned was actually the soft skill of working together with people, because you just set aside those differences and work professionally.
For my course, right, we learn things like city planning and stuff in class. It was in lecture, then we do projects. But when we come to like this area itself, then we are actually working on an actual site. It allows us to see from various perspectives in this experience.